SJC-12104, Aktas versus Aktas.
Good morning, Mr. Atkiss.
Good morning.
May get settled, and
Aktas.
you've got 10 minutes, sir.
Other party is not here, so I'm not sure it's good idea to still talk.
You're entitled to be heard, and so
Okay.
the fact that she has
Okay.
waived her appearance does not bear on your entitlement to speak
Yes.
with regard to this matter. So
Thank you.
we'll hear from you.
I get divorced 2011, January. 5 months after the divorce, my ex-wife, she went to family court, complained. My income went up 20% or more. And that wasn't true, and she didn't have any evidence. We end up in the court multiple times, and the trial was August 2012. After the trial, the judge asked from both parties proposed judgments. And after the court, I went to see my son. I have son with her. And she told me her attorney told her they lost the case. After 16 months of the trial, we get surprise judgment. I mean, like an extremely surprise judgment. The judgment says my income went up 269% from nowhere. And my paycheck was $1,000 per weekly, so $500 a week. The judge says, no, you're making $1,000 a week. And the judge calculate my income and put in the, like taking the 1 year, 62 weeks, not the 52 weeks. After that, I tell the judge, I say, Judge, the calculation is wrong. Like the idea is wrong, but the calculation is wrong too, you know. But they didn't listen to me, and they tried to send me to jail. And this case was the first time somebody suing me in my life. And I was 37. And I served in the Air Force for 8 years in Turkish Air Force. I am extremely honest, like extremely honest. She was my wife. We worked together in the same restaurant. I owned the 1/3 of the restaurant, seasonal place on the Riviera Beach. Winter, we losing money, like you have no choice. Nobody comes to the beach. So you opening, you lose at least $15,000, $20,000. Another 3-4 months to cover that loss, and only you making 3-4 months during the school off season. She knows, that's why she has no evidence for any like income or more money. So I talked to my wife, like ex-wife, saying that, look at the judgment, it's not good, you know that. 2 days she was agreed to go to court with me to tell the judge this is not right, you know, it's something wrong here. 2 days later, she changed the mind. She say either you marry me or you pay what the judgment says, or you're never gonna see your son. Until today, I didn't see my son for no reason. So I went to court again, February 2014. Like I tried to find a lawyer, I went to too many places, I showed them. They said, what did you do to the judge? I said, I didn't do anything to the judge. You know, then the girl in the family court office, she helped me to fill another application saying that this judgment is not correct, and we opened another case saying that lowered the judgment. My income is $500, making $12 an hour, and my child support went up to $259. So I had to bring the money from the people, friends, and twice I almost going to jail. I had to call the friends to bring it $5,000, $6,000. Until when I opened another case, 2 days later, she went to DCF saying that I slapped my son when I see him last time. That wasn't truth. When she said I didn't see him 1 month. DCF showed up to my restaurant. He was a nice guy. He talked to me, I showed him the court paper, and I showed him some evidence of my son pictures. He believed me, and he closed the case in 2 months. But the judge didn't issue my visitation. She stopped my visitation. She never issued again. And today she's not here to answer me, but I went to too many places. Nobody knows what to do. They say, judge didn't like you, technically. I have no idea why.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
We'll take our morning break.